Whew, got wicked root stairs. Perfect time to start the camera. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Lucifer Falls in Ithica, New York, part of the Robert H. Treman, I think, State Park. This is, I guess, a lesser known waterfall. I checked on a lot of the maps and stuff, and this one actually wasn't listed, but we saw a little tiny sign coming out of the other side of the park saying, oh, it's 3 miles down the road. And the name got me, Lucifer Falls, right? So I was like, we gotta check it out. Coming from the devil's bathtub. So, we came and checked out. This place is amazing. It is absolutely beautiful. If you are in the area, if you come out this way to the Finger Lakes area of New York, highly recommend this. It's still a little people-y. Obviously it's not like the hidden gem of like nobody knows about it type thing, but it's really cool. They had an old mill, like an old grain mill at the front of the park, in the parking lot. You can walk through and see, kind of explore through there and see how they used to grind flour and stuff in the area back in the day. And then there's a small little waterfall there in the parking lot. And then it's about a half-mile hike. The Gorge Trail, half-mile hike to the falls, is epic, epically beautiful. And then we took the half-mile rim trail back, which is, it's rough, but hence why I'm all sweaty. I'm filming my intro at the end here, but yeah. Anyway, let's go. Oh, here we go. So yeah, we're here. We're gonna take the Gorge Trail. We'll pick up this lower park. So Lucifer Falls is somewhere around here. And then we'll take Red Pine back. What's the upper? The kids are like, let's take the rim. We're like, The upper goes to the overlook of the falls. So you gotta zigzag down. Yeah, and then I don't know if that picks up here, if that's what that is, and then we can take Gorge back. So we could get to the falls and we can either decide, do we want to take Red Pine back or do we want to go up? These trails are steep and strenuous with numerous stairs. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What's that? Please go this way. Alright, let's go. We'll see you later. Yeah, it's pretty up there. Alright, day 3. We're on our way to Lucifer Falls. Yeah. What do you think, assistant? Great. Great? Alright. Greater than a pineapple under the sea. Greater than a pineapple under the sea. Greater than SpongeBob.
Oh, okay.
Alright, let's do this. Yeah. I'm not looking. That's really bad. Look at this, is freaking gorgeous. Lucifer Falls. It's not as, I mean, it's still busy, but it's not as busy as the other ones. It's still part of the Treman park where we had like the swimming pool and stuff. This is really, really cool. Epic. Oh, this is probably it. Assistant, what did we think of Lucifer Falls?
Cool.
Yeah?
And these racks here, I'm trying to make moon dust.
Moon dust. Ooh, okay. Come on.
Okay.
Let's head down the trail. That was really cool. That was really, really beautiful. This was not even on. So I searched for like top 5 waterfalls in Ithica. This was not on it, any of those lists. But I swear this is probably my favorite. This has got to be my number 1 so far.
This is my number 2.
This is your number 2? What was your number 1?
My number 1 was the waterfall with swimming. It looked so cool.
Oh, the one yesterday where we swam in it, yeah. So that's part of this park.
What?
So that's the other big waterfall at this park, is the swimming one. So anyway, yeah, that was super, super cool. Like this is just absolute beautiful. Yeah.
What happened?
I was trying to get my number. While I hate stairs, I have to say these are some of the most beautiful stairs I've ever got to climb. Just natural stone, they're amazing. Very, very, very beautiful here. I probably said that a lot in this video. I have to edit all those out.
Hey guys, welcome back to Matt's channel. We're here. He took us to the Lucifer death stairs.
We're almost here, come on, come on.
He's trying to give me a heart attack.
Just trying to get this view.
Oh, good lord.
We made it. Intense. Whew. Assistant.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Yes.
What do you think? What did you think
That was super
of
cool.
Lucifer Falls?
That was super cool.
Super cool.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, it was. That was amazing.
I know.
This hike back though
Sucks.
is no joke.
You can either choose a very flat 2-mile walk
or
a half a mile walk
straight up.
Straight up.
Guess which one we chose?
Up.
That way. Yeah, we chose straight up. The first quarter mile of the half mile is all stairs that are all different heights and widths and handmade stone. And the second quarter mile is just dirt up. You gotta earn it though, right, bud?
Yeah.
Gotta earn these views. This is earning it. This is amazing. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Nature staircase. Rocks and roots. So Lucifer Falls might be its own video because I got a lot of footage here. So I'm going to end this video here and say if you like this type of content, the thumbs up down below, subscribe, hit the bell so that you don't miss more stuff like this. And if I make it down this hill of rocks and roots, I'll see you on the next one.